Hey guys, Brian here with Limelight Detailing in Boise, Idaho, and we just wanted to give you an update on our service schedule for the remainder of the year. We've had a fantastic fall so far. September and October have just been wonderful weather. Specifically speaking to our RV customers, if you're needing to have your RV washed or waxed before putting it away for the winter, we just strongly suggest you get on our schedule just as soon as you can. We will be working till about Thanksgiving, thereabouts. It really just depends on the temperature. So if that's something that you need to do, we just wanted to give two things: an update on our pricing and availability. We're generally able to do it anytime, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Price wise, we are at $5 per linear foot to wash your RV. For example, if you have a 40-foot RV and it's $5 per foot, we'd be right at about $200. If it's 40 feet times 12, you can do the math. So that's an update on our pricing. We have been getting a lot more questions on that. And then, like I said, with availability, we should be going all the way till about Thanksgiving, and then we'll be closed down for the winter, and then catching up with everyone in the spring. So if that's something you need to have done with your RV, we do travel trailers, utility trailers, cargo trailers, RVs, Class A motorhomes, Class C motorhomes, all of the above. We'd love to take care of that for you this fall. You can check us out at limelightdetail.com to book your appointment. Or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or book your appointment over the phone by giving us a call at 208-391-3455.